Let's get one thing straight. Most people go through life stuck in a loop of doing things that don't truly make them happy. They follow paths set by others, parents, society, or just what seems safe or expected. But deep down, everyone wants to know one big thing. What do I really want in life? What's my purpose? What will make me wake up excited every day? If you've ever felt lost, confused, or just plain stuck, this video is your guide. No fluff, no magic tricks, just clear steps to help you discover what you really want in life. Let's break it down. 1. Stop and reflect. First things first, you have to pause. In today's world, we're constantly distracted by phones, social media, and noise. We rarely get time to just think, so take a moment. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and ask yourself honestly, what makes me feel alive? When do I feel happiest? What activities make me lose track of time? Write down whatever comes up. Don't judge it, just observe. This simple reflection will give you clues about what excites you deep inside. 2. Explore your interests without pressure. Sometimes, we think we need to have one big, clear passion from the start. But that's not how it works for most people. Instead, try different things. Read books on topics that catch your eye. Try a new hobby: painting, coding, cooking, sports, anything. Volunteer for a cause you care about. The key here is curiosity, not pressure. By exploring freely, you learn what you like and what you don't. Over time, this paints a clearer picture of your true interests. 3. List your strengths and talents. What are you naturally good at? Maybe you're great at talking to people, or solving problems, or maybe you have a creative eye. Sometimes your strengths hint at your true calling. Write down everything you're good at, big or small. If you're unsure, ask close friends or family what they think you're good at. This outside perspective can be surprisingly insightful. When you combine your interests with your strengths, that's often where passion lives. 4. Identify what you don't want. This might sound strange, but knowing what you don't want can be just as powerful. Write down things that drain your energy or bore you. Are you tired of jobs where you feel stuck sitting at a desk? Or maybe you hate constant socializing? Eliminating what doesn't work for you narrows down your choices. This helps you avoid dead ends and focus on what might actually make you happy. 5. Visualize your ideal life. Close your eyes again and picture your life 5 years from now. Where are you living? What kind of work are you doing? Who are you spending time with? What does a perfect day look like? Try to be as detailed as possible. Visualization is a powerful tool because it taps into your subconscious mind. Write down your vision. This exercise connects you to your desires on a deeper level. 6. Set small goals and test them. Sometimes we get overwhelmed trying to find one big purpose. Instead, focus on small goals that align with what you've discovered so far. Want to write? Start with 1 page a day. Interested in fitness? Commit to a 15-minute workout. Curious about entrepreneurship? Research a business idea. Trying these small things helps you test the waters. You might find some activities light you up, while others don't. Adjust accordingly. Remember, finding what you want is a process, not a one-time event. 7. Accept that it's okay to change. Here's a truth many people struggle with. Your goals and desires can change. What you want at 20 might be different from what you want at 30 or 40. And that's perfectly normal. Don't get stuck trying to force one idea or path. Life is about growth and evolution. Be open to shifting your direction as you learn more about yourself. 8. Tune into your emotions. Your feelings are powerful guides. Pay attention to how different activities or thoughts make you feel. Do they energize you or drain you? Does thinking about a certain career fill you with excitement or dread? When you follow emotions over logic alone, you're more likely to discover what truly matters to you. 9. Surround yourself with supportive people. It's hard to find yourself when everyone around you is pushing their own ideas. Seek out people who encourage you to explore, who listen without judgment, and who inspire you. This could be friends, mentors, or even online communities. Positive support boosts your confidence and helps you stay motivated on your journey. 10. Practice patience and self-compassion. Finding what you really want in life takes time. It's not a race. You'll have days of doubt and confusion. That's normal. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step closer to clarity. 11. Learn from failure and mistakes. Don't fear failure. Trying new things means you'll sometimes mess up or realize something isn't for you. That's actually a good thing. Failures are lessons disguised as setbacks. Each one teaches you more about what fits you and what doesn't. The more you try, the faster you learn. 12. Trust your intuition. In the end, you're the best expert on yourself. After all the thinking, exploring, and reflecting, trust your gut feeling. That little voice inside you knows what's right. Even if it feels scary or uncertain, following your intuition leads to a more authentic life. 13. Write a personal mission statement. Once you have some clarity, try putting it into words. Write a short statement describing what you want to contribute to the world, what you value most, and how you want to live. This becomes your personal compass, something to revisit whenever you feel lost. 14. Take action. Clarity without action is just a dream. Start moving in the direction you've chosen. It doesn't have to be perfect. Small, consistent steps add up. And remember, action creates momentum, which creates more clarity. 15. Keep reassessing. Life isn't static. Your wants and needs evolve. Make it a habit to check in with yourself every few months. Ask the same questions. What do I want? What's changed? This ongoing self-awareness keeps you aligned with your true self. Finding what you really want in life isn't about having all the answers today. It's about asking the right questions, exploring with an open heart, and taking one step at a time. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start with where you are now. Let me know in the comments. What's one small step you can take today to move closer to what you want? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out the rest of Glow Mode for more real talk on self-growth, mindset, and living your best life. Remember, your life, your rules. Let's find your path together.